Hi everyone, Lisa here. It seems like every September we have some type of contact event, and this year in 2025 is no exception. We're going to be holding on Zoom one of our contact and consciousness workshops. This time it's not a retreat and it's only one day to make it easier for people to participate. I very rarely do one day events, especially with contact. So I hope you'll consider, if you've ever wanted to join a contact event, this might be the one. We're going to be contacting a species that Sasha has started to introduce to me called the time riders. I really don't know much about them and what their story is, so I'm really looking forward to finding out what that story is and how our connection with them can assist us in our evolution. So once again, it's September 20th on Zoom from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Arizona time, which this time of year is Pacific time, is the same thing. And you can participate from anywhere around the world. This will be the last English only workshop in 2025. So please take a look at the information if you're interested. And if you can't make it, this, or at least most of the information, will be available for download in our catalog as well a little bit later on. Okay, so I hope you'll connect with us at that time, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much.